Hi everyone and welcome to TechStam's YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Apple Maps not working on iPhone 14, 14 Pro and 14 Pro Max. So if you're using Maps on your iPhone and you see that it's not working or it's not showing direction or maybe it's simply blank and you don't know how to fix that, no worries. Here we'll show you some ways to fix this issue. The first way is simply to check your internet connection, see whether your internet is working or not. You can go to control center and you can if you maybe one thing you can do is simply connect to data if you're connected to Wi-Fi, or maybe connect to a Wi-Fi network if you're connected to data, or you can simply turn on the airplane mode by going to control center and tapping on the airplane mode here and wait for some moments, and after that simply turn it back off and see whether it fixes the connection issue. And after that you can go back to Maps app and see if your map is working or not. If it doesn't work, you can go for the second option. The second option is simply to turn on the location services. Most of the time the location services are off by default, or maybe you have turned it off and you don't know, you don't remember it. Here you need to enable the location services. So for that, go to settings. Now in the settings, scroll down and tap on privacy and security, and here tap on location services, and in here you need to make sure to enable location services. Then as well go to location alerts and you need to make sure to enable show map and location alerts as well here. So that's it. Now you can go back to Maps app and see whether it's working or not. Again, if it doesn't, you can go for the third option, is simply to restart the map app. If it is open on your iPhone, you can simply open the app switcher and close them and wait for some seconds and turn it, simply open it back again and see whether it is working or not. So again, if it is not working, you need to set your Apple Maps to use data or Wi-Fi. Sometimes it happens that this option is off, that your mobile the application is not using internet. You can go to settings for that, then tap on mobile here, then in here find the option for maps, and you need to make sure that it is enabled. Like in most cases when you're using mobile data, if it is off and you go to maps, and this will and you will see that the maps app is not working. So for that you need to make sure that this option is enabled. So again, if this doesn't fix your issue, you can simply restart your iPhone and see if it helps. So to restart your iPhone, simply press the shut button here on the right and volume up button for some moment, and now slide to power off your iPhone and turn it back on and see if it fixes your issue. So again, if it doesn't fix the Apple Map issue, you can go for the last option, that is to reset the network settings. So to reset network settings, go to settings simply, then go to general. Now in general settings, scroll down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Here simply tap on reset. Now simply tap on reset network settings and now enter your passcode to confirm, and this will reset all network settings on your iPhone, and this may fix the Apple Maps not working issue on your iPhone. So that's it. These are the best ways to fix the Maps not working issue on your iPhone 14 series. So thank you for watching, and please do like and subscribe.